Hello my dear children, I am Divya welcoming you to the art class. Last week I have given some activities for you. Do you remember? What all things? Okay, drawing, painting, then one more thing was there, color mixing. Did you try mixing the colors? Yes, okay, very good. Then did you draw that rainbow? Oh, some of you have uploaded the pictures. It's really nice, children. Keep making beautiful pictures. Now, this week I have some activities for you. Are you interested in drawing? Shall we draw something today? Or shall we paint? Or shall we make something? What do you want to do? Make something. Okay, so now we will make something with matchsticks. Have you seen matchsticks? Yes, we will get different colors of matchsticks. Now, if you get a red color matchstick, you can use it. Otherwise, you can dip the tip of your matchstick in red paint so that you will get a red color matchstick. Now, let's learn how to make the matchstick art. It's a basket making. Shall we try that? Okay. At the end of this lesson, you will learn how to make a productive thing with paper and matchstick, as well as you will learn how to draw a basket. Okay, so let's start. The materials needed for your matchstick art are matchsticks, Fevicol, paper cup, chart paper. Now, shall we try to make the paper basket with matchsticks and chart paper? Okay, so I have a video for you. Let's watch that video now. Okay? Okay, come. Today we will do a matchstick art, a matchstick basket with color matchsticks and paper cup. I have kept all the materials for doing this paper craft on my table. Everything is ready. Once again I will show you the materials. We need a paper cup, a matchstick. This matchstick have red color tip. If you are not getting red color ones, you may dip the tip of your matchstick in watercolor or acrylic colors so that you will get any color which you like for the matchstick. Next thing is Fevicol and scissors. Then we need scale and pencil as well as a small piece of chart paper. These are the materials which we need. So let's start making. So the first step is take your paper cup and cut it into half. Cut it directly half. We need only the half portion. We need only this half portion of the paper cup. The next step is we have to apply Fevicol here on the paper cup. Then paste the matchsticks on the paper cup like this. Slowly keep each matchsticks like this without giving any space in between. It may take some time for drying. Slowly you can attach each one like this. Around, completely around the paper cup you have to stick the matchsticks. So now I am taking some time for sticking all these matchsticks around the paper cup. You can also do it slowly. See, like this it will
neatly. Stick it slowly and neatly. Now it's almost completed. Few more ice creams, few more matchsticks I am sticking. Do it neatly without leaving space in between. If there is space left, it won't look good. Once again, arrange it neatly. So you will get like this, a cup. It looks like a wooden cup now. So I am keeping it for drying. The next step is, take the chart paper, take your scale and pencil, cut out a 3 centimeter straight piece from this, like this. Draw and cut out a straight piece from this, like this. Okay, now I got a straight piece. The purpose of this is for keeping as the holder of the basket. Okay, so next step is, we have to stick the matchsticks here also. For that I am taking the matchsticks and cutting it into half. From the middle, cut it into half like this. All the matchsticks, one box of matchsticks, you have to divide it into half. Like this. If it is difficult for you to cut, you can break it easily. This way also you can break it. Then next, apply Fevicol. Leave some space here and start doing from here. Attach this. The red tip should come at the top like this. The next one, it should come in the opposite direction. So fully like this you have to stick, one this way and the other the opposite way. Okay, it looks like this. So I am going to stick everything in such a way now. keeping it on the table and doing it. So you will get like this. One towards the top and other stick towards down. Now everything is done. Next step is we have to attach this with the first piece which we have done. So I am going to give Fevicol here. Then here also apply glue. Then keep it like this and stick it. It looks like a wooden box now. Your paper basket is ready. This is your matchstick art. You may keep some belongings inside this, or you can use some flowers which you have at your home and keep it inside and decorate it, or you can keep it on the table for keeping your erasers, sharpener, etc., so that you need not search for it anywhere in your home. So now the paper basket with matchstick is ready. It's very easy to make. I hope you all will try making this paper basket with matchsticks. All these things are easily available. The matchsticks, I told you how you can color the matchsticks. You can try making it with different colors. No need of taking red itself. Any color you can dip the tip of the matchstick and make it colorful. I hope you like it. Everyone try to make this and upload the photos. Okay children, I hope you will upload the photos. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye bye.
I hope you like that video. That's very easy to make, isn't it children? You have to make it and upload the photos. Now some of you told me you wanted to draw the basket. Shall we try making or drawing a basket easily? Can you draw along with me? I'll draw it on the board. First, draw a C shape, C. All of you know C, isn't it? Then the other side also, the reverse C, like that. I want you to take your pencil and draw along with me. Then connect these two shapes together. Here also you have to connect it together. Okay. Then the down portion of the basket, a curved line like this. Here also a curved line. Then a straight line down. Then we have to draw a half circle at the top. This is the holder of the basket. One more line like that you have to draw. Okay. Then next is we can decorate our basket with flowers. Okay. Draw some flowers like this. You can add leaves also. Any shape flowers which you like, you can draw. Now some flowers have fallen down also, that you can draw here. Now here divide like this. Then draw some lines, 3 lines like this. Okay, here also if you want you can give some designs. Okay, I think it's easy for you to make. So try drawing this and make the matchstick basket. So I hope you like this. See you next week. Bye bye children. Here comes the activity for you, assignment for you. Follow, yeah.